So this is kind of a big word that we have a piece of legislation called the Social Determinants of Health Accelerator Act. Okay, so it's a lot of words, it's some big words. I actually tried to come up with a nicer word for it, but we haven't been able to come up with it yet. But basically what that means is taking a look at rural communities, in our case, rural communities. What are the challenges as it pertains to health care in rural communities? And we actually, I'm on the Appropriations Committee now, and we have legislation to assign money to be able to study what are the challenges in rural healthcare. So it could be everything from that we have child care deserts, meaning if you don't have child care, can you then not have a good job and then make a good income and then buy good food for your family and get good health care? I mean, it's like things like that. Or is transportation in small town America a problem? Is your point on dental care in small towns all over this country? That is a big problem, and it's not just the accessibility of dental care, but it's more the affordability of it. There are so many people who can't afford dental care. Dental insurance is very different than health insurance. A lot of times you might get your checkups, but if you have to actually have something done, the dental insurance maybe only covers a small percentage of that, and so your out-of-pocket expenses are way more than many families can afford. So it is really it's not just an accessibility problem, it's an affordability problem, which is even bigger in rural America. So it is, again, and it gets down to even food deserts. And I'm using that term desert a lot, but when you live in a smaller town, access to fresh food that's not too far away to be able to get to it, the transportation to it, how far away you are from a dental clinic or a health clinic or a hospital. And so we're going to try to come up with solutions. I'm a believer that first you have to identify the problem, but then you've got to figure out what are the solutions to this, and that's what this Social Determinants of Health Accelerator Act is.